I'm an adult. I work a job. I get paid for that job, and then I use that money to buy childish things like this.
Gotta love when you spend a lot of time explaining stuff and the GoPro forgets to record audio. Got my satin black wheels finally. I had some choices between these and bronze, but I figured black would go much better with that black wrap on top. Did the entire top surface of the car, followed the body lines. Everything is satin black on top, and I used 3M 2080, which I picked up from Luxe Auto Concepts. Got a little bit of that billet technology peeking through the hood hole there. I did make one mistake, which is kind of funny. Didn't realize until it was too late, but I left the 3M knifeless tape green band underneath there. I'm gonna have to fix that later on. Did a great job tucking everything underneath the moldings. The roof rails, I peeled those back, tucked everything underneath there. I was gonna replace them, but the replacement ones that I got from the TA really didn't match at all. So I had to hand wrap those as well. Didn't do the shark fin, one because it's a pain in the butt, and two because, I don't know, just like the way it looks. Made a little mistake over here, you can barely see it. Then of course that tiny little strip that goes along the door looks really good. It just kind of brings the front and the back together. Overall, other than removing the wing again to put everything on, it was a pretty easy job. I think it turned out pretty good, not bad for my first time. We got the Luxe treatment on those taillights. This is their fade. I got the inner and the outer fades there, and also the center overlays as well. So if you remember a while back, the wheels on this side of the car were green and the wheels on that side of the car were the stock color. When I got the car, it looks like somebody went ahead and fixed the wheels and did a really poor job matching the color. So I took it back to the dealership. They did an amazing job matching the color. It looked great. But after 2,000 miles and a year, the powder coat, which I don't think was powder coat, that they told me they put on, chipped off. So, and we're talking a lot of chips. And I keep my wheels clean. You know, all the crevices, everything is nice and clean on the wheels, except for when I screw up and I miss like areas like that. So, but I mean, I keep my wheels really clean. There's no reason they should have chipped off. And if they did chip off because I drove through something bad, why did only the two wheels on this side of the car chip off while the other two didn't? So I took the wheels, all four of them, took them to a local place, had them strip the wheels, media blast them, and then powder coat them, prismatic powder, satin black. So they did an amazing job. And by the way, I put my rubber caps back on. The McMaster car, you get 100 of these for $8. They do add a little process to taking them off. You have to grab an interior trim tool and just pluck them off before you go and change the lug nuts. But they're vinyl covers, and they kind of hide the super chromy lug nuts here. Here, you grab my interior tool and we'll pull one off with one hand if I can. It's really difficult to do with one hand, but there you go. So these are the ones that were on the Scat pack. So these are 3 years on the Scat pack and 1 year on the shelf. But nylon, no problem with water, you know, and they fit, and you push them on, good to go. So that's what we've been doing, blacking things out, making the car look good. Another cool thing is the airlift. So the air install is done. Alright, so anyway, we got the Viair 444Cs, we got the Airlift Performance 3P, we've got the AccuAir, who's unfortunately closed down now, but the Endo T, because I really love their tanks. They're beautiful, almost like works of art. And you know, got the dual pump set up, all the wiring. I recorded a video on all this stuff, how to do this, how to do the bags, how to do everything. And I guess I just need to get that put together for you guys and get it online. But the car looks so good, dropped to the ground. I have a driving mode that's about 1 inch below stock height. Right now it's in my, I think it's my driveway mode, being able to get in the driveway because my driveway sucks. So I drive like about 1.5 inches above stock height to pull into the driveway. So I got a nice range with this kit. So we wrapped the car. I had to take this off again. I had to take so many things off the car to wrap it, but I mean, it pays off in your time. Everything, the seams, the seals, where everything meets, when you can wrap the whole surface, it comes out so much better. Not bad for my second wrap job. There are a few mistakes. Let me point them out for you. So I showed you the one in the front where I screwed up there. There's another section over here, right in here somewhere. Boom, right there. Got a little bubble right there that I totally didn't see. It baked itself in. I'm gonna try pop it with a razor, but you know, not too bad. There's a couple other tiny little minor flaws here and there, but I mean, for the most part, nothing anyone is gonna see from 3 feet away, 2 feet away. If you look at the car overall, it looks pretty good. I'm kind of happy with how it turned out. And if you notice, we've got the black top, destroyer gray side, satin black wheels, back to the way the Scat Pack used to look. Got the orange headlight rings. We got the stow and show on the front, so that license plate pops off in 2 seconds. No holes drilled in the bumper. Gotta love all this stuff. So I took all the good decisions we made on the Scat Pack and put them on this car. I think I'm done for a little while. I got probably like months worth of video editing to do, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like where we went with this car? Do you like some of the decisions made? What do you think of the products? How crazy do you think I am for installing a black powder coated plate on my ZL1 Addons diffuser that no one will ever see, except I'll know it's there, and it's black. Everything is black and gray. So yeah, I know I'm a little crazy, but this is my relaxation. I've always been a hands-on guy, and now in my day-to-day job, I'm just basically managing people, not doing a lot of the hands-on stuff anymore. So doing that hands-on stuff at home keeps me sane, and you know, it's the way it is. All right, so next let's talk about ZL1 Addons stuff. As you can see here, we got their black powder coated plate. So I have the ZL1 Addons original diffuser on the car right now. I have here the Luxe diffuser, which of course adds a second wing in between there. And you'll notice that the original ZL1 Addons diffusers came with a silver, I guess you would say, plate to kind of channel the air from the diff. Now they have a powder coated black version of this, and since we're blacking everything out, and you know, even though no one's going to see it, why not install it? So they don't generally sell this by itself, but because I have so many freaking splitters, I didn't feel like getting another one. So they sent me out this one, and what I'm going to do is basically pull the other one off, line it up, drill the holes, and let's see, right here, just screw them right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Piece of cake. So I figured I would give you a little preview of that. So if you're looking to buy the ZL1 Addons diffuser, couple key points here. First thing, daily driving, lowered car, go with the regular or original diffuser. You want more downforce for the track, just keep in mind this is more function than form. So you do get the downforce, but the problem is you're 1.5 inches lower, so leaving driveways you'll slam. But these are really sturdy. I mean, I've slammed on that one leaving the driveway aired out, and it held up really well. So don't worry if you do slam on occasion, that's fine. But this one, for daily driving, Hellcat, Scat Pack, or any lowered trim level, it's gonna give you a little bit of problems, especially if you live in like New Jersey like I do, where the driveway entrances and exits are brutal. But it does look damn good. I have a video on this one, I'll put in the upper right. A video on installing that one, I'll put it in the upper right as well, so you guys can check those two out. All you guys out there that want ZL1 Addons rear diffusers for your pre-2015 Challenger, they just released one. So if you want to go check that out, the discount code WorkPlayDrive should work on those as well. So we got this is the 2015 and up. They look very similar for the 2014 and under. So go check them out. I'll drop a link in the description below. Any of your purchases for ZL1 add-ons I don't get paid for. I just love their products. From time to time they send me some cool free stuff like that, and you know, other stuff to show off to you guys, and I do not show things off that are garbage. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to gently press that like button. If you're stopping by for the first time, check out my other content and consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching.